Now, the first alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Joe Winters.
Probably heard some of that rain overnight into the morning hours. It cleared up quickly, and as we said, it was a beautiful day. But take a look at the rainfall totals that we saw officially. About 1/1300ths in Waterloo, a little over a half inch in Dubuque, almost an inch in Iowa City, about a half inch in both Waterloo and Cedar Rapids. And there's a lot more rain on the way as it remains in the forecast all the way into Wednesday. Not this evening, though. Please get out and enjoy. I was just out at Green Square Park. It is beautiful outside. Our radar loop shows dry conditions, and I am expecting rain tonight, but not until well after midnight across most of eastern Iowa, so it should mean a very, very quiet evening. Now, it's not going to be quiet tomorrow. In fact, extreme southern Iowa actually is under a slight risk for severe weather. I want to remind you, a weather radio programming event comes up this Saturday from 8 a.m. to noon. We're going to be in Marengo. We'll be at the Memorial Hospital in the meeting room. Desktop and mobile models will be for sale. Weather radios, about $30, $35. The entire First Alert Storm team will be there to program that weather radio and get it set for you. As we know, severe weather season is upon us, and it's only a matter of time before those watches and warnings are posted for portions of eastern Iowa. That comes up this Saturday again in Marengo at the Memorial Hospital. We hope to see you there. Now let's take a look at our Dubuque City Cam through the afternoon. Some of that high, thin cloudiness, but still plenty of filtered sunshine. But we're starting to notice more and more clouds from west to east, and that will continue to be the case as we work through the overnight hours. It's 72 in Cedar Rapids. Dubuque still 68. Winds generally around from the south or southwest. Waterloo 73 and Iowa City 72 degrees. There's the storm system that brought us the rain this morning. We look back to the west, more moisture is gathering. There's a frontal system that's just kind of bisecting the region, and it is a powerful storm system. Just take a look. We have wind advisories, flood watches in Wisconsin. We have areas that are under winter storm watches and warnings. We have severe weather with thunderstorms down in Colorado. A lot of active weather, certainly, as we head through this early part of spring. Now, as we take a look at the temperatures for tomorrow, it just shows you that there's a contrast. The high in the plains in the 20s, mid-70s down in the south. Anytime we have that contrast of the air masses, that's when we see showers and storms. And it's marked by the frontal systems that will be moving through. Areas of low pressure will track along those fronts. And again, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be the result. Here's a look at Pinpoint Futurecast. Help you kind of time it out right here in eastern Iowa. Midnight, most of us quiet, but the clouds are overhead. Your morning drive, scattered showers and storms. And then we'll see periods of rain as we move through our Tuesday. Evening hours, some showers. Overnight, another round of showers and storms. And look what happens early on Wednesday. Northwest Iowa starts to see a little mix of precipitation. 52 degrees tonight, our low in Cedar Rapids. Rain likely well after midnight. Southeast winds at 5 to 15. Our highs from 56 to 68. There could be a real big temperature contrast across eastern Iowa tomorrow. We'll talk about that at 10 o'clock. About 63 with some rain. There you go. Thursday, morning low 32. That means a rain-snow mix or some sleet early on Thursday. Could end with some scattered snow showers. 28 to start our Friday, and we work towards Saturday. 54 degrees, another chance of a little rain as we head into Sunday with 58. Don't worry, snow doesn't last long this time of the year.
Wow, that looks weird.
It's kind of fun to mention.
There's something wrong with you. Thanks so much, Joe. Cedar Rapids Kennedy has a new boys basketball coach, and Scott will join us live from the Fieldhouse to talk about the bright future of the Iowa basketball program. Sports is next right here on KCRG TV 9.